Excuse me, Mr. Sayote, you're late again for the class. This is not the first time you're late.
Sir.
Explain why are you late.
Sir, sorry sir, naladawak ta. Nagkagamin ngay na traffic.
This is not an Ilocano subject. Explain in English.
Sir, mabalin nga assignment ko na lang. Submit ko no bigat.
Nope, I want it now. This is not the first time that you are late.
Sir, kadito English ti naladaw takwa ta nasadaalam tilugan. Sir, because yes, first I was on the street. This is the street, and I was standing here, and the jeepney forward, yes, forward, and then I went to the jeepney, sir, and I look inside, and the jeepney people, there is napuno nga awan ti tugawak. There is no chair for me, sir, in the jeepney inside. In English ti nagsaklop daya. And the children, the parents, and some uncles and aunties, the children sitting on the saklot, sitting on there, sitting, and so I didn't go, so I went out, and then yung English ti nagbitin niya, anak makabitin, and then I step backward, I look, and there are 1 to 5 people, sir, hanging. Nagbitin niya. 5 people hanging, and I also wanted to hang myself because I don't want to be late for the class, but it cannot be, sir. It cannot be because nagbitin niya, I want this space. Because sir, there no more to hang myself, so I didn't go to the first jeepney, and sir, so I have to wait for the other one jeepney, and again I was standing, and then the jeepney was coming. And then it's coming, and then coming. Yes. I look at the jeepney, and there is a chair for me inside. There's one, and then I didn't need to hang myself. And then the jeep also, already nagrobot. And already the jeep already, the tire is already like that, so the car is moving. And then I was very nervous because late, maladawak kami, sir. Sir, nagrigat ngay, surat ko na lang.
No, I want it now.
So yeah, and then when driving the car, naradalan. Yeah, the car, the vroom, and then like that, stop, and the driver check, open the machine, the makina. Yes, machine, and then put it up, and then put some uh, change oil, and then again after that, sir, the driver went again, and then put the key, and then start na nga. Yeah, start, yes, start, and then the car, ano English nag-andar. Yeah, car, brum, 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 again. So yeah, yes, yeah. So yeah, and then I'm here, and yes, yeah. Can I sit down, sir? Thank you, sir.